Hi boys and girls. Today we are doing lesson 17 cursive handwriting. So our last lesson for this week. I am going to start with the first word. Let's do age. And I'm going to go kind of quickly today, just short on time. So let's see if you can stay up with me. So the very first word is age. Age, A-G-E. We go around like a C, up and touch, back around like a C, down to the blue line below, loop it forward, and up and around for that E, A-G-E. Okay, the next word that we're going to do this week is space. So up, curve it backwards, get my fingers out of your way, then back up and straight back down for the P, trace it back up and around like a backward C, and back up and over like a C and go up and connect to make that A. Back up and over for a C, and then around for an E, loop, and kick a leg out. Space. Okay, next let's do change. So we're going to start with a C at that red dotted line. C, up and loop around like an L for H. Trace it halfway back up and over for the H, around like a C for the A, and up and over for the N, around like a C, back up and touch for the G, down, loop it forward, and around for the E. There we have change. Next, let's do jacket. So up and back down and loop it forward, back up and over for the A, back up and over for the C, up and around like an L, halfway back up, loop it around, kick a leg out for the E, halfway up, all the way up for the T, and trace it straight back down and kick a leg out. Okay, there we have jacket. Let's do giant. So around like a C and down, loop it forward, up and touch the middle line, and around like an A, up and over, up and over, up and touch for the T. Okay, next we have pencil. Up and touch, trace it straight back down and back up for the P, and around like a backward C, loop it around for the E, up and over for the N, around for the C, up and touch for the I, and all the way back up and loop it around and kick a leg out for the L. So there's pencil. Next we have circle. Okay, around like a C, up and touch for the I, slant your line for the R, around like a C again, loop it around for the L, loop it around halfway up for the E. Circle. Next we have once. Okay, so start like a C, around for the O, then do your little hook off of it, then hump over for the N and over again for the N. Then we have our C halfway around and loop it around for an E. O-N-C-E. Next we have large. Up and loop it around for the L, back up and around for the A, up and touch. Up, slant that line for the R, around and back down for the G, and then around for the E and up and touch. Okay, the last word, this one, I want you to choose one of your other spelling words and write it in cursive and do your best. If you need to hear any of these again, go back and rewind the video because you should have 2 written each time. Hey, great job.